What if you could join a company solving the greatest challenge of the 21st century? And what if your involvement allowed you to create financial freedom for decades to come? Bill Gates, Leonardo DiCaprio, Arnold Schwarzenegger, President Obama, the Pope, and countless global leaders have all said, sustainable energy is the most important challenge we need to solve this century. Over 97% of the scientific community agrees with them that the man-made burning of fossil fuels is the cause of our rapidly changing climate, and devastating consequences are in store if we do not take action now.
The Chief of the U.S. Navy's Pacific Command, Admiral Samuel Locklear, recently said that climate change is our single greatest security threat.
This summer, I saw the effects of climate change firsthand in our northernmost state, Alaska, where the sea is already swallowing villages and eroding shorelines.
Things will change in ways that their fragile environment simply can't support. Until we get near to zero, the temperature will continue to rise. And that leads to starvation, it leads to uncertainty, it leads to unrest.
It seems clear to me also that climate change is a problem we can no longer be left to a future generation.
We are the first generation to feel the impact of climate change and the last generation that can do something about it.
The clean energy future is not only possible, but if we all work together, national governments, subnational governments, and the international community, it is absolutely certain. Thank you very much.
It's time for us to solve the energy crisis, put our planet on a path to sustainability, and provide a safe environment for future generations to live. The solution rises every morning, our giant fusion reactor in the sky called the sun. What's incredible is that just 15 minutes of the sun hitting the Earth is enough to power all global energy needs for an entire year. The renewable energy industry is set for explosive growth. In the last 5 years, solar energy costs have plummeted over 80%, making it cheaper to get your electricity from solar for most of the US population today.
We looked at all the different emerging energy technologies. A number of them are interesting and promising, but one that's really very exciting and that's on an exponential rise is solar energy. It's been doubling every 2 years, and it's doubled 10 times already, and it's only 8 doublings away from meeting 100% of our energy needs. After we get done doubling 8 more times, in 16 years from now, we'll be using 1 part in 10,000 of the sunlight that falls on the Earth.
Over 800,000 US homes have already made the switch to solar energy, with a new installation occurring every 60 seconds. The undisputed national leader in residential solar power is publicly traded Solar City, SCTY, co-founded in 2006 by brothers Lyndon and Peter Ives. Solar City is America's #1 solar power provider, currently providing 1 out of every 3 new residential solar electricity systems nationwide. Solar City currently services over 300,000 customers in the following states, with international expansion on the horizon. And what's most exciting, the opportunity in sustainable energy is just beginning. Imagine if you could build a life-changing income working with the #1 solar company on planet Earth, helping to change how electricity has been produced for over a century. Solar City, the #1 solar company in the world, has carefully selected Powur to be the category-creating direct sales company leading the solar energy revolution, offering Solar City products and services through the Powur network. Hayes Bernard, the Chief Revenue Officer at Solar City, said, "Powur's model is the future for how solar will be sold." Powur utilizes the direct sales business model, one of the most proven businesses on planet Earth. In 2013 alone, direct selling generated over $178 billion and paid over $70 billion in commissions to partners. As a partner with Powur, you have the chance to be part of a category-creating, first-of-its-kind opportunity that will literally change the world.
Solar City is one of the most innovative companies of the 21st century, and it's our privilege to be able to represent these revolutionary products on this game-changing mission.
As a Powur partner, imagine being able to offer a product to the people you know in any SolarCity market that could replace the dirty energy they currently buy from their utility with cheaper, cleaner, and renewable energy, and it won't cost them a single dollar upfront. Imagine if you could save them hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars per year with zero risk. Imagine if all of the savings were guaranteed and there was no hassle, no worries, no fine print, just cleaner energy for a better price. This is Powur's solution from SolarCity today. SolarCity has pioneered a variety of $0 down lease and purchase options so that their customers can enjoy the benefits of solar energy without any of the upfront costs. Energy is a $500 billion market just in the US, and SolarCity is already expanding internationally. If you've ever wanted more time freedom, more money freedom, more purpose, and the ability to live a life by design, that's what Powur can provide. Here's how it works. When you join Powur, there's only two things our partners ever do. 1. Refer free solar proposals. 2. Teach others to do the same. While it may sound simple, by learning to do these two simple things, you can build an extraordinary part-time or full-time income and earn residual payments guaranteed for the next 20 years. As a partner, the first way you can get paid are from installation bonuses. You earn $200 on each and every proposal you personally refer that turns into an installation with SolarCity. There's no limit to how many proposals you can refer and installations you can get paid on. The second way you can get paid are team bonuses. The first goal in Powur is to qualify your position and become eligible for lucrative team bonuses and 20-year residual payments. You get qualified just by submitting 3 qualified leads to SolarCity. Meet a few more simple requirements and get promoted to senior partner. Powur has pioneered lead acquisition bonuses, or LABs for short, which is a breakthrough reward that can pay you on each and every partner inside your team that gets qualified just by submitting leads. As a senior partner, every time you personally enroll a new partner who gets qualified, you can earn $125, and there's no limit to how many of those bonuses you can earn. Then, every time a new partner joins your team and gets qualified, you can earn $50 to unlimited levels. There's no limit to how many partners can join your team and how many lab bonuses you can earn. Meet a few more requirements and get promoted to Game Changer. As a Game Changer, you can earn $250 on each new partner you personally enroll who gets qualified. And better, $100 to $175 on every new qualifying partner that joins your team to unlimited levels. And it doesn't stop there. Meet a few more requirements and get promoted to National Game Changer. As a national GC, you can earn $350 on each new partner you personally enroll and qualify, and $100 to $275 on every partner joining your team and qualifying to infinite levels. While Powur does not guarantee any income will be made, imagine if you were one of the first to share this incredible opportunity with the tens of millions of Americans looking for more money, more purpose, and the opportunity to be part of a game-changing team solving one of the planet's biggest challenges. Imagine how your life might change from hundreds or thousands of lab bonuses as passionate people like yourself join your team. And this is just the start. The lab bonus was designed to pay you today while your 20-year residual payments accrue for tomorrow. For illustration purposes only, let's assume you sign up as a Powur partner and invite 5 of your best contacts to join you. With each team member inviting just 5 people, here's how your growth ensues. If each team member asks just 5 homeowners to get a free proposal from the #1 solar company on planet Earth, and 20% of those proposals convert to an installation, within just 6 generations, your residual income with Powur would be $18,530.50 per month for the next 20 years, in addition to your lab bonuses. Simply put, joining Powur is a groundbreaking business model, giving you the flexibility to set your own schedule, achieve time and financial freedom, and leave your legacy for future generations. In addition, there's no inventory, no recurring purchases every month, no selling as we leave that to the professionals at SolarCity. That you benefit from SolarCity's $6 billion infrastructure working on your behalf to sign up customers you can get paid on for the next 20 years. Getting started is easy because our model is easy. As a partner, it's only a one-time cost of $499 to join, and you're in business for life. Joining Powur is an opportunity of incredible significance, working on one of humanity's most pressing challenges that could financially change your life forever. We've all seen how technology has radically changed our world over the last few decades. We've seen how quickly computers, satellites, cell phones, and apps have permeated every facet of our society, and the people at the forefront of those technological revolutions made billions and changed the world. Imagine if that was you. Solar energy is the next great technological revolution. Solar will change every facet of our society, making available cheap, clean, abundant energy across the globe. This is your chance to create a life-changing income at the forefront of the next great trend, while working with the most iconic entrepreneurs of our time. Don't miss your chance to be there for the power revolution. Together, we can change how electricity has been produced for over a century and set our planet on a true path to prosperity and sustainability. Get back to the person who shared this video with you and find out how easy it is to start with Powur today.